JIS Angel's solar aluminium solar mounting system with pre-assembled bracket significantly reduces the installation process, drilling, cutting and welding, which saves a lot on installation and transportation costs of your solar system. Our mounting system can be customised in terms of height, angle and structure form, making it applicable for several types of landforms such as grasslands, slopes, concrete roofs and so on. Angel's solar mounting system is suitable for various brackets with fixed angles from 0 to 60 degrees. Customizable options for pre-assembled leg shape structures of types A, N, W and VI are available to meet the complex requirements of your construction site. The structure also follows the different requirements of most standard PV modules, framed or frameless, landscape or portrait. Anti-corrosion and anti-rust with high-class anodized aluminium raw materials can be chosen like AL6005T6, which is stronger. Besides, the AS ground mounting system is made to be durable, withstanding 1.4 kilonewtons of snow load per square metre and wind speeds of up to 216 kilometers per hour. All Angel's solar mounting products and accessories are designed and manufactured in line with various international standards, such as JIS C 8955 2017, ASNZS 1170, GBT 19001, and so on, which ensures the safety and stability of your solar mounting system. Angel's provides a 15 years durability warranty for all solar mounting products and accessories, except rubber components. The product's afterlife is also no worry, thanks to the high, durable, recyclable and low disposal cost of aluminium. Angel's ground mounting system has been successfully installed by Tier 1 solar panel brands and electrical distribution corporations worldwide. JIS Angel's Solar, with 10 years experience of original design and manufacturing of steel and aluminium structures, strives to deliver great products like these for the goal of a greener future.